DJ
All my niggas on lock, doing time for that he say, she say. Laying niggas down on the freeway, believe me, they need me. Cause all these mouse ass niggas coming home too long for their release date. He facing 25 years fair time, and he ain't never seen a day in that thing. He bustin' heads high. Let's keep it real, I got the documents to prove that you a sketching ass nigga trying to hide behind your music. You hit the highway, got money to fly away and told it. You's a whole ass nigga, that's what I'd say. And you can quote it, if some niggas wanna touch it. Last album I was made, this album the motherfucker sold. All you niggas wanna plot against the mob, since you wanna make it how I'm finna, or just a knob. High power.
Beat comes the sound of my cellular. It's the life of a hustler. I'm a gangster, you know we're living in danger. I got my drink just like straight
Real nigga, he don't talk about, he be about, cause he a G about. I got a problem with a nigga, I gon' squeeze him out. Then what the fuck am I gon' talk to the police about? I'm from the streets doing the type of shit you read about. I cocked chrome 45 under pressure, and then address you, and now you froze on a stretcher. You wanted trouble, I wouldn't settle for lesser. I'm the devil in the flesh, my pistol is my protector. See my reflection as it fades into black when I reappear on the nigga. It's a rage and attack, yeah. And I solemnly swear, any problem I have, I just emptied the clip for him calling me to the square. That's on my life and cause to represent the mob. Since you niggas want that heat, I'm about to turn up the knob to high power.
Beat comes the sound of my cellular. It's the life of a hustler. I'm a gangster, you know we're living in danger. I got my drink just like straight
And these niggas, you just a dead man walking. One foot is inside the grave, the other was in a closed top coffin. You still talking like you the OG. When you was locked down, though, you was low key. Them niggas told me that they had you in seg in the locus. You was working with them boys in there, and even had the nerve to try to go and talk to the streets, thinking that they'd embrace some marked ass police. And then he tried to sue a nigga, but it got back to a nigga. And when I see him, I'ma do the nigga. So skip that funky ass deposition, fool. Since you wanna crank it up, and that's what I'm about to do. To high power.